Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video I will show you very you can say that popular microcontroller for deploying machine learning. So I am going to show you Arduino Nano BLE Sense, which is very small, but it has almost 12 sensors on it. The first one is humidity, temperature, RGB, pressure, magnetometer, and it contains a PDM mic. So you can deploy here machine learning as well as deep learning models. So see that here. How will you deploy machine learning or deep learning models? You will use TensorFlow Lite. So first of all, you will train a model on a server and you will convert that model into TensorFlow, and thereafter basically there is a tool XXD. That tool will convert that trained model into a flat buffer file, and that can be included in C++ file or Arduino file, and it can be deployed on this microcontroller for inferences. So this was about Nano BLE Sense. In upcoming lectures, I will explain you for a lot of sensors one by one, that how do they work, how you can use them for machine learning, how you will collect data, and all the things. And this microcontroller is very important for BTech, MTech as well as PhD students. They can do research on this device, those who are in the field of deep learning, machine learning. So basically what will happen, if you are working on microcontroller and also you want to deploy machine learning, so that area of research or development, that would be called TinyML. So TinyML, a field in which you can do a lot of things. There are many scope for research as well as development as well as training or education. So this field is full of opportunities. So in upcoming videos, I will explain you all the things. So this was about Nano BLE Sense and how you can deploy deep learning models. Thanks for watching this video.